RUP model is the one of the software development life cycle in software engineering. RUP stands for Rational Unified Process. RUP stands for Rational Unified Process. RUP is a software development process from the Rational ROS. A division of IBM organization. It is developed by Rational ROS. It divides the development process into 4 distinct pages that each involves business modeling, analysis and design, implementation, testing and deployment. So RUP model, all the software development life cycle pages are divided into 4 pages, that is inception, elaboration, construction and transition. RUP model mainly useful for object-oriented programming. RUP model mainly useful for object-oriented programming. So, object-oriented programming consisting of collection of objects. Object-oriented programming consisting of collection of objects. All objects are combinedly called as a class. All objects are combinedly called as a class. Every class is a name. Every class is a name. Every class has a collection of statements. Statement means variables and methods. All these methods and variables or properties are executed by using of object. So all this process is done by using of RUP model. This is the block diagram of RUP model. RUP model is like a normal software development model, but here every 2 pages is combinedly called as a single page. So first the process starts with the communication page. Communication page means requirement page. So communication is also called as a requirements. After gathering the requirements, then go to planning. So planning means analysis. Next one go to modeling. Modeling means design. Construction. Construction means implementation. All these pages are divided into 4 pages. How to divide? Every 2 pages are combinedly called as a single page. Every 2 pages are combinedly called as a single page. Communication and planning is combinedly called as a inception. Planning, modeling combinedly called as a elaboration. Modeling and construction combinedly called as a construction. Construction and deployment combinedly called as a transition. So RUP model, all the software development life cycle pages are divided into 4 pages. So every 2 pages is combinedly called as a single page. So what are the pages in RUP model? First page is inception. The idea for the project is stated. The development team determines if the project is worth pursuing and what resources will be needed. In the inception phase is the combination of requirements and analysis phase. So in the requirement phase we can identify the resources. What resources will be needed? What resources will be needed? All the resources are identified and gathered in the inception phase. After gathering resources, it will be analyzed in the inception phase. So after completion of inception, then go to elaboration. Elaboration is the combination of planning and design. The project architecture and required resources are further evaluated. So in the design phase, we are design the architecture design, system design, interface design. So all the design activities are run under the elaboration phase. Developer consider possible applications of the software and costs associated with the development. All the planning activities are also do in the elaboration phase. Next go to construction. The project is developed and completed. The project is developed and completed. The software is designed, written and tested. So construction phase is the combination of both designing, testing and implementation. So whatever the design in the design things in the design phase, all the design activities are converted to the coding, all the codes are verified on the testing. These three pages are combinedly called as a construction. After construction, then go to transition. So transition is the combination of development and deployment. Whatever the software is developed, that is deployed on the client machine, that phase is called as a transition phase. The software is released to the public. Final adjustments or updates are made based on a feedback from the end users. All the updations and all the errors are rectified on the client system in the transition phase. So these are the 4 pages in the RUP model. Next go to advantages. This is a complete methodology in itself with an emphasis on the accurate documentation. RUP model provides accurate documentation. So how to execute and how to run whatever the project is implemented. So that process is represented in the form of documentation. So client can easily run the project based on the documentation. Less time is required for the integration. So in RUP model, we can integrate the modules in small amount of time. Less time it required for the integrated the modules. Next, coming to the disadvantages, the team members need to be expert. So we are implement the project in the RUP model. The team members must be expert in their field to develop a software under this methodology. So we can implement the project under RUP model. Software members or team members should be expert. The development process is too complex. The development process is too complex. Why it is complex development process? Because every 2 pages is combinedly called as a single page. So each and every page is linking with the another page. So the development process is too complex when compared to remaining process.